Students are turning to politics. Oh, it's the only way. We'll get up there.
How do you feel about this crowning of Leroy Sibbles? What does it mean for you?
You know, for me, it's nice to give flowers to the living. You know, throwing the flowers on a man's grave is neither here or there to me. You know, so it's nice that after the body of work that he has done and his contribution to the music, he can be recognized while he can be a part of the celebration.
When my life got dark, was the light at the end of the road. Ronnie Williams, big up yourself. Love. And as I said before, all blessings are big up to Leroy Sibbles. The promoter of the big up yourself.